Hi folks, today we're going to look at a nice little melodic pattern that utilizes some muting and some kind of really nailing in the dynamics of what you're playing. We're going to aim to make this really nice and subtle and gentle so we can really utilize those dynamics and muted sounds. I'm going to play it up here on my D minor chord, on my D chord, which is notes 4, 6 and 8, or D, F, A, but you can play on any chord that you like and also move it around, and I'll show you how to do that a little later on. So it looks like this. Right, and if you move it, but still with lots of repeating motifs, right? So the first thing that we need to learn is this. Easy, right? Left, right. Starting with the left hand in this one. Left, right. And then we're coming down very soon after onto note 4. Just try that with me. Then we have some little muted tones. I'm using my pointer finger and my middle finger for this. You can also use your pointer and ring if you like. I find that I just have a little bit more control over these two fingers. Sometimes it's good to kind of practice with the ones you have less control of, so I'll leave that up to you. But here is how it goes. Right, so dum ga dum da da, and then with the two fingers, I'm just striking down and keeping it down. In fact, I think the first one is open and then I mute. And then we've got another one, right? See how I'm muting very, very gently here on this note? Sorry. Right? Dum ga dum ga ga. Straight in after this mute. And then opening up this strike. And that's the whole pattern. Left, right, left, right, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, right, left, right. And that's it. Then we can put two of those together. Again. Right? And so once you've got that, then you can start to move the low notes, right? So these two notes are going to stay exactly the same, but instead of always playing here, I'm going to start to hint at some different chords by leading with different bass notes, right? So first one. And then let's move it to note 3. Then let's move it to note... Sorry, that was note 2. Now let's move it to note 3. And then let's come up to note 5 for some tension. And then we can resolve that tension. That tension, by that I mean these notes don't quite fit together in the way that we usually would like things to harmonize. And so it kind of makes us go, ooh. But then this implies that it wants to drop down and resolve to this, right? So then we can build that tension by doing this. Here we go. Breathe out. See how nice that feels? So then if I speed that up, dynamics up. Oh, it's really opening now. And then we can move this note. It feels like we've arrived somewhere. We've got a nice little mini composition there, utilising those dynamics, those mutes, those double strikes, getting that left hand used to moving. Really nice little exercise that also sounds very pretty. So have fun with that one, and I will see you next time.